hello viewers, welcome to linuxhelp.com. Now I'm going to explain how to install mtPaint application on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, mtPaint is an open source cross-platform painting application used for designing icons, pixel-based artworks, as well as for manipulating digital photos. It can also be used for editing indexed palette or 24-bit RGB images and offer painting palette and image manipulation tools similar to the popular Microsoft MS Paint. Before we have to install the application, we need to add a new repository to install a mtPaint application using the following command. Then hit enter. The new repository being added now. And then here we have to press enter to proceed the process. The system repository being updated now. After updating the system repository, we can install a mtPaint application using the following command. Then hit enter. The application is installing now. The installation has been completed successfully. Now we can open a Ubuntu menu. And then here we have to search mtPaint. The application is shown on the screen. Please click here to open. And then here we have to choose the toolbar. And then here we can see the lots of customized configuration to making a painting and designing process. And then here we can see the version of mtPaint application. In this way too, you can install a mtPaint application on Ubuntu 18.04. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel linuxhelp. If you want further more videos, please visit www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, please mail to support@linuxhelp.com.